topic is taken from the chapter of biotechnology and its applications. So, first of all, we should understand the meaning of biopiracy, which is very simple and which is very easy. So, biopiracy is the use of our bioresources by other multinational companies or any other organization without our permissions from the country, as well as the peoples are not concerned as the other people are using their resources. This is known as biopiracy. Use of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from countries and people concerned without compensatory payment. So, as the bioresources are used by multinational companies as well as some organizations, and they are not at all concerned. People are not concerned for their compensatory payment. Compensatory payment means they have used our bioresources, so they must pay for that, right? This is known as compensatory payment. Industrialized and developed nations are economically rich but poor in biodiversity, while opposite prevails for developing nations. Therefore, developed countries exploit traditional knowledge of resources of poor countries for commercialization. So, of poor countries for commercialization. So, industrialized and developed nations, the nations which are developed, already developed, they are not developing, they are already developed, and industrialized nations, they are economically rich. They have a lot of money and they are very economically rich. But they are very, very poor. They do not have knowledge of biodiversity, but whereas it is opposite for the developing nations. Developing nations are not at all economically rich because they are developing, they are not developed, but they have lot of knowledge of biodiversity. But this is not the case in industrialized and developed nations. They have lot of money but they do not have the biodiversity knowledge at all. They are poor in it. Do not have the knowledge of the biodiversity, they tend to exploit the traditional knowledge as well as the resources of the poor countries. Means they try to exploit the resources as well as the some traditional knowledge of the developing countries. Realization means for their business they tend to exploit this. This is matter of injustice, since inadequate compensation and benefit sharing is given to poor countries in return. Therefore, steps should be taken by developing countries to prevent this exploitation. Obviously, this is injustice and also against the law. The developed nations or industrialized nations use the poor countries' resources for their commercialization and do not give the compensatory payment for the poor countries, give the inadequate compensation, as well as no benefit sharing is given to the poor countries. Therefore, this must be stopped. Injustice to the poor countries so that they can get the compensation as well as benefit sharing. Then, the Indian Parliament has recently introduced Second Amendment of Indian Patents Bill to deal with these type of issues. So, Indian Parliament has introduced the Second Amendment of Indian Patents. So, do you mean by patents? So, the patents are the right granted by the government for an inventor to prevent others for commercial use of his invention. Okay, so the Indian Parliament has introduced the Second Amendment of Indian Patents so that it can deal with these type of injustice issues, so that they can get the adequate compensation and benefit sharing for the poor countries.